I wake up early. I wake up early. I make my bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink some juice. I drink some juice. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I am ready to go. I am ready to go.
Great job learning your morning English today. Ready for a magical bedtime adventure? Read our spooky but cute story, The Mystery of the Midnight Mansion, with your parents tonight. Get your copy on Amazon, link in the description below. See you next time.